Hi! In front of me is Android 14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose security. Then click on screen lock over here and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. After that, you need to enter it, choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Then tap on one of those options to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and click on done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can set pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!